and pheromones. The conversation flows a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses.
Hi y'all, I am iamSimoneC. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today you all have got this gorgeous hair install, this beautiful curly bob wig by the company Angie Queen Hair. I would love to thank Angie Queen Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous unit and for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested to see how I got this gorgeous, beautiful install, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, you all, we are back. Let's see what we have. Wow, look at this install, you all. Look what we have here. It is so pretty, so gorgeous. It looks so natural. Oh my goodness, I am loving this curly hair. This bob, it is perfect for the summer season. Very lightweight, very bouncy. As always, I'm going to go back into my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation and a skinny brush, going in the lighter side down the part. And that just helps the lace to look more realistic, like a part. Looks so much better now. And then going in on the darker side, we're gonna add that to the front of the lace. And boom, we have a look. You all, this curly hair is so gorgeous. Did you see during the install how while I just sprayed the hair with water and finger combed it and also brushed it through with my Denman brush, the curls were just coming alive, you all. So nice and fluffy, so nice and bouncy. The curls are so defined, so pretty, so gorgeous. This 14-inch bob is perfect. Again, the length is on the top of my shoulders and I love that. This hair is so versatile. You can create so many different styles with it. Half up, half down. We can even do a quick ponytail or a bun. The lace blended right into my skin tone so nicely. It is giving scalp baby, okay? This is my scalp. Again, this is Angie Queen hair. Their Brazilian curly lace bob wig. It does come pre-plucked, and that I agree with. The front was nice and pre-plucked, you all. Again, this is 14 inches, 180% density. With good care and maintenance, this hair could last you well over a year. So as you saw, you got a beautiful hairstyle right outside the box. You all very beginner friendly. Please be sure to let me know what you think of this hairstyle down below. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. I would love to thank Angie Queen Hair so much for sending me this beautiful curly bob and for sponsoring today's video. If you are interested in this exact hair, I'll be sure to link it down below in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience, as well as all the other products that I use in today's install as well. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye!